to Madrid, where the local time is approaching 5 tonight. Can we remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft goes to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Also, be sure that you take your personal belongings with you, checking the seat pockets underneath the seat in front of you, and also in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening those lockers in case anything falls out. For the passengers who smoke, we kindly ask you to refrain from doing so until you reach a designated smoking area. And we also remind you that all devices for calls, text messages, and internet access may now be used. On behalf of the captain, first officer, and the onboard cabin crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with EasyJet today. It has been a real pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you all again in the very near future.